you cannot handle real work, reality talk, 80+ language, simply skip the video.
Update. I'm gonna change a little bit the video formats, but I won't get into scripted BS. I always keep it raw, real and unedited. But the shorts are simply always clips from the long form, from the live streams. But when it's about vlogging, the normal vlogs, I will start doing it like this. Shoot a vlog, normal vlog, and then with the editor I'm using always VLLO app, and then I will simply cut out the silences, and I use a little bit of panning back and forward to make things visual more interesting, and it will be shot also in landscape mode. Why do I say this? Well, I always say when it's about my video material that it's uncut, real, raw, which is and always will be raw and real. But when it's about my normal vlogs, I will start, you know, taking out the silences, but always keep the clips in chronological order. So I will never mess around with, let's say, cut out words. I only cut out silences, and I will just play around with the panning in post-production. Why do I make this quick video? Who would give a rat's ass about it? Nobody. But along the way, when I increase my subscribers, if you haven't subscribed yet, just maybe consider it. Anyway, I'm just make it as a, let's say, a time point that I set it over here. What's my format of my different videos? So the clips are always taken from the long form, you know, or the vlogs or the live stream. The live streams are always 100% uncut. The previous vlogs were always 100% uncut, but I just want to play around with retention rate. But I always will keep, you know, I will shoot it with my GoPro Hero 12, long clip, cut out the silences, move a little bit around, panning, maybe zoom in, etc. But that's it. And I simply make this very super short video, let's say, some sort of proof that I keep everything unedited, because yeah, you never know, right? After maybe an extra 10,000 videos, people will get back to me and say, hey, from that moment after vlog 200 something you started cutting. And the thing is, this is the reason. So I always keep it the new vlog format, which I'm gonna test to increase retention rate, is simply shoot long clip, put it in VLLO, cut out the silences, hard cut, and it automatically creates hand clips like this, and then I will just play around with the panning and zoom in, zoom out thing. But that is the max amount of editing. I will never cut out words, because with the option of cutting out silences, you know, you're not cutting out words to make myself look or sound like an angel. So that's the whole reason. I just made this particular video just to make a point, so it can never get me bitten in the ass along the way. You know, that people say, hey, your integrity, you know, starts to crumble after vlog 200 something. So that's simply just to protect myself. And again, I'm just cutting out silences, you know, doing the panning and maybe zoom in, zoom out, just to make things look a little bit more interesting, because I only speak, you know, that's the thing. Anyway, I'm gonna get to work over here, quote unquote work, put in the daily discipline, and that's it. Just want to shoot this very super quick video to make a statement, just to protect myself, you know, to keep everything raw, real and unedited, so people can never get back to me, hey, you did over there this, I can see that you cut out this and this. But this is simply the reason to increase attention rate, retention rate, sorry. Ciao for now.